Hi, I'm Cindy, and today I'm going to do some watercolor painting, but instead of using regular paint, I'm going to use Kool-Aid. Now, you may be thinking, that sounds kind of weird. Why would you do that? And the whole point is I want to show you guys that you don't need any special equipment in order to make art. You can just use stuff that you already have at home. So what we're going to use is some Kool-Aid and water, some Q-tips. These are going to be your paintbrushes, and then some paper. And I put together some kits that you can pick up here at the library if you need them. But if you already have all this stuff at home, go ahead and work with what you have and try it out for yourself. And now I'm going to do a quick example painting so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and color this picture of a monster so you can see what this looks like. I already have some red and blue Kool-Aid ready to go. I just need to mix up my purple. I've got a little bit of water in here. You only need like a tablespoon or two, because we want the color to be really concentrated. I'm going to go ahead and mix all that. Looks really dark in the cup. Let's see what it looks like on the paper. As it dries, the color might change a little bit. Hopefully it'll look a little more purple. Let's try the red. I know with this it looks kind of orange when you first put it on the paper, but then it dries into more of a normal red color. Okay, it's a little bit of blue. I know this color is a lot lighter than you might expect it to be on the paper. And we'll just do some polka dots just for the heck of it. You can see the purple's turning a little more purple and a little less black now, which is good. Okay. And that's what it's like to paint with Kool-Aid. It's very quick, very easy to do, and you can do pretty much whatever you want with all these colors. Thanks for watching.